Good morning, you guys. I'm sorry about how I look. I just woke up and I'm very tired and I don't have any makeup on and I just feel very tired. But today we are going to do another hair makeover. We're going to dye our hair and completely change hair color. Some of you guys already know what kind of hair dye I will be doing today, but I can say that it is a hair dye that I've never done it before. We are going to start off by bleaching our hair, and why I didn't do that off cam was because I wanted to show you guys how the lime crime unicorn hair dye in Juicy has faded. I've actually liked how it faded, but right now it is way too faded and I need a change. So if you didn't know how I usually bleach my hair, I go in with some organic coconut oil or just coconut oil and I put it in my roots. The bleach that I will go in with is this one from Mood. I'm not sure where you guys can get these because I think it's a Swedish brand, but this is the one that I always use, and I use this one that is called Ultra Blonde. That's it. Let's just get started. I'm gonna put some coconut oil in my roots just to keep the hair as safe as I can because bleach is not good for your hair. So I'm gonna use some coconut oil, and this does not prevent the hair from bleaching. At least I haven't noticed that. I just take a little bit on my hands like this and I massage it in my roots, and I use quite a lot of it. And don't forget the back. Now I have coconut oil pretty much all over my roots, and I've also massaged it into my tips a little bit. And now I look gross, even grosser than before. But I'm going to start off with one side. And I go in with this bleach. I always start with my roots, and then afterwards, when I have all my roots covered, then I will take a little bit in my tips if needed. I will probably do so because this shade that I'm going to use over is quite light, so I need the entire pink shade to be gone. Okay, I now have the bleach in my hair, but unfortunately, it kind of ran out before I got the entire back done. But I'm trying to massage it, so maybe that will help. The pink was removed so quickly, crazy enough. So I'm trying to, like, the parts where they don't have that much bleach, where it's still a little pink, I'm trying to use massage because I really don't want to bleach my hair twice. But yeah, I'm gonna have this in for like 30 minutes. Alright, I am back, and this is how my hair looks with one bleach. I am shocked how the pink just like faded so quickly. So the hair dye that we will be using today is also from Lime Crime, and it is called Mint Ice. Look how beautiful this is. It looks so fun, and I've never had green hair and I've never really wanted green hair, but I think that this looks really cool, so we're going to do that. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. I'm gonna use one of these thingies and just brush it on, and yeah, you will see it in super speed because we do not have time for games. Oh my god. I've never had this shade. I hope it turns out this way. I know that my hair might be a little bit too pink right now. No, not pink, yellow, of course. I really don't want to bleach my hair again, so let's just start
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending.
I actually have a bad feeling about this. We might have a fail on this channel, but I can see that it looks really good in the roots where it's like white, but in the tips of my hair where it's more like a bleached yellow shade, it is looking a little... yeah. But we will see. I will have this on and I will go and do my makeup, and then I will rinse it out, and then I will show you how it looks. I might go in tomorrow because I actually have like half of the jar left, so I might go in tomorrow and do it again and re-dye it. If I do, I will show you guys first how it looks with just one dye, so you guys know if you need to bleach it like twice or use a lot of like silver shampoo before you use this shade. But yeah, I will have this on now for like 45 minutes and then I will be back to show you guys. All right, are you guys ready for the result? Ding ding ding, here we go. Ooh. Okay, even though I love the root color a lot more than the shade right here, I think it looks really cool. I think I look like a nymph or like a mermaid. So yeah, this is today's look, and I will now get going to the birthday party of my friend Nicolina. But I think that I will actually come back tomorrow and re-dye it on dry hair, and hopefully it will look a little bit more like the root color. So see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day and I did my makeup kind of the same, so you guys wouldn't be so confused. Let's just go in with this all over again and we'll see how it looks or if it works better. If not, I need recommendations for other mint green or green hair dye.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Alright, the dye is now in my hair. It is looking a little bit better than yesterday, but we will see. I think that my hair is still a little bit too yellow of an undertone right now, but I will wait for like 1 hour and then I will rinse it out and then style it a little bit, and then I will show you guys the end result. Alright, I have rinsed out the hair dye and now let's see how it looks. I actually like it a lot better now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! I think that the hair dye looks a lot better. I think that it has cancelled out the yellow undertone a lot better. You guys already know that like I love looking not like others. So I like having like different hair dyes or hair colors that nobody else has. Vote up here, sorry about my voice by the way, I'm kind of sick. But vote up here what you guys think of the hair dye. I don't think that I will keep it that long. So follow me on Instagram as well. I think that I will let you guys vote what my new hair color will be. Like choose between like 2 or 4 hair dyes. So check that out. I'm very happy with this. I hope that you guys like it as well. It is very different, and also now when I have green eyebrows. But still, it looks really, really cool. So yeah, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Please subscribe for more hair videos and also makeup videos and all that. And I hope that you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, my voice.